Once a car lost control and went into that checkpost. It was mesmerizing to watch. It was an almost a Hollywood stunt. I love watching crashes, crashing compilations, That's my favorite thing to watch on YouTube. That's the second car. Drunk people don't like the checkpost at all. It just I have a lot of questions in my head right now. There are no answers to it, but there are questions. A lot of them. Is creativity necessary? Should I choose creativity or like simplicity? How to convey a sentiment? And is conveying a sentiment necessary? Do people care? I don't know. Is trying hard cringe or is the only way out? If you know the answers, comment below.
तो सुबह में देखता भी नहीं क्या?
क्या हुआ? वो कैसे आ गए इसके अंदर?
ये नहीं होता तो ये बाहर चला जाता। मुझे क्या मालूम, वो तो पूरा खा पी के फुल हो गया
हैं?
आज सुबह में तो आपको पराल डाल देना चाहिए तो नहीं निकलेगा।
नहीं, मैं आ रहा हूँ ना, 8 o'clock ही हुआ अभी।
6 बजे में डाल देना चाहिए पराल।
6 बजे नहीं, 8 o'clock डालना चाहिए।
पहले इसको निकालो, उसके बाद में देखो।
उसका है
ये है ये।
हाँ, इसलिए बोला थे पूरा टाइट करना है। आज यही काम है बस। इसको पकड़ो।
बानी फिर घुमा लिया हो।
इधर डालो, वो उसको अंदर लेकर आना पड़ेगा।
इनको खाने को मिलता नहीं है, तुम डालता नहीं है।
मैं रोज इतना डालता हूँ। वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, वो नीचे गिरने तक उतना ज़्यादा डालने का ज़रूरत नहीं है। वो जितना कहते उतना डालना है। वो नीचे गिरेगा, वो पूरा कचरा होगा, बाद में
वो भी खाएगा।
नहीं खाएगा।
उस दिन डाल दिया, इतना डाल दिया, सब खा गया।
इसको अंदर डालते हैं अभी, ऐसे लेकर गेट से।
पहले पराल लेके आओ।
वो पकड़ना है बांधने का। The fence is not strong enough. The cows went berserk last night, looks like. I give them enough food. I don't know why. Getting that cow back in was easier than I expected. Mostly because it's breakfast and they are hungry. Otherwise it would have been a nightmare. The plan is to take care of them for 2 weeks until the steward comes back. Looks like it's gonna be really long 2 weeks. The fact is that they need a little more than just giving them hay or food. They need like, oh my god, Bonnie, Mangala. Talking to animals just sounds so absurd to me. I don't know why. I just can't. ये फेंस होने के बाद बोल दो मेरे को उधर कुछ काम है। नहीं, मैं दिखाता हूँ उधर क्या करना है। मैं राउंड में गया था कल। एक दो जगह बांधना है कि नहीं? पूरा फेंस
2 दिन लगेगा, मालूम है।
2 दिन लगेगा तो कब से शुरू करना है ना? इधर होना चाहिए।
हाँ,
ये तो
काम, लेकिन ये अभी फिनिश हो जाएगा।
ये
हाँ
कि इतना जा रहा।
हाँ
2 दिन तो कब शुरू करें? 2 ही दिन लगेगा। Tulsi is convinced that I'm not taking care of the cows properly. It's probably right, who knows? But I'm trying my best. That's such a shitty thing to say, at the end of every sentence. I'm trying. I cringe at myself for that. The thing is, you need to know more than the workers to manage them, or at least have humility to understand they know more than you. Second option is what I'm trying to do now. Look at those green flames. What even caused it? Is it the soap that's turning it into... पैदल जाने का भी नहीं है इधर भी। इधर से पूरा उधर तक हमारे से ज़्यादा बाहर से ही है।
हाँ, फर्स्ट मैं बाहर में करता हूँ।
हाँ, बाहर से सिर्फ ऐसा कट करके उधर उस साइड पुश करो, देन अंदर रास्ता बनाना है। आपका बेटा किधर है अभी? नेपाल।
नेपाल
घर बना रहा है?
अपना घर बना रहा है।
क्या बात।
अपना घर, दूसरा का घर नहीं।
वही पता चल आ गया। इधर नहीं आएगा?
इधर पता नहीं, वो पुलिस का
रिजल्ट का बाद
होएगा तो घर।
I had a bit of scare this morning. This camera module was not charging. I questioned everything in life really, but it seems to be resolved. I don't know. I'll update you on this. That's why it's important to read manuals, because I just found out belt, like you put it on it can be bent. I spoke too soon. The camera still seems to be fucked. I'm recording from the mobile. If it doesn't work, I'll have to settle with recording from phone, which might complicate things, but I'll get it done. You know me. These things are nothing at all. Okay, the last thing I can do to check whether it's bad or really bad is that this is the official cable, and if I can charge and transfer files, then it's just bad because this button is still not working. But if I cannot charge and transfer files, then I'm cooked. It's transferring something at least, but connections are all loose. The connection between the screen and the camera module is not steady at all. Sometimes it connects, sometimes it doesn't. It's in warranty, but we have no clue what they're going to do. Thank you, Casey. Good advice, huh? I hate that white light. I need some brown. I need some mood lighting. Last time I stayed here, it was brown. I don't know why. It looks so depressing, not gonna lie. I'm shooting with the camera right now. It seems okay, but it's quite inconsistent. Few years from now, everything looks like that. What a joke. Peanut butter with green lid. Stock apple. I would need some coffee. Instant coffee. How much is this? 675 rupee. What the? Peanuts. The company makes peanut butter with a green lid. I like them better than the Sundrop ones. The movie, it's a very old musical. It's about this dance group that goes to New York and tries to make it. And they try to show them struggling, but they are not struggling. You can watch it for aesthetics, but as a story, as a screenplay, it's very, very bland, very plain. There's too much of happiness going on in the film. I just can't take it.
Run by a humble and aspiring owner who learned